All right, let's hear what Matt Core is.
Has its own major resistance at 85. DWAC is at 91.50. Let me look at minimum DWAC levels.
All right, let's check it out on our own. Let's see what's pushing right here. Okay, DWAC moving up 2%. Here we go. Here we go. Yo, yo, yo. All right, let's get the stream going. Get the music up here. Yo, yo, yo. Everybody hopping in. How's it going, everybody? We're just getting the music up here. Let's get this ad going. DWAC up 1.5%. Let's see what AMC is doing. AMC up 2.6%. Still getting that nice little pop. Yo, yo, yo. Thank you for that like. Whoever smashed that like. The SPY is still trading sideways. IWM is trying to go green on the day right now. Let's check out MULN is doing. Up 54% on the day. Still holding. Not really doing much right now. CI getting rejected up here. Yo, yo, yo for the 6 people in here. Appreciate you guys hopping in for today. We are just hanging out right now watching the markets. Let me get the Discord open right here so I can check out the watch list and see how these tickers are doing. If you guys want the background music a bit louder, let me know. Okay. Let me see. Alright. Let's check how these are doing. AMC, Etsy, ALF, IRNT. CEI up 12.5%. Energy sector getting a little move. Etsy kind of staying flat. What was it? ALF up 4% on the day, but still not really holding. What's up, everybody hopping in? Appreciate you guys jumping into the stream. AMC is getting a nice little push, up 3.8, up 4%. Holy shit, it's just going faster than I can talk. AMC is pushing 1840. Oh my god, did we hop on stream for something nuts? Oh my god, 1840. AMC up 4.2% on the day. Appreciate you guys hopping in right now. AMC is getting a nasty pop. If you got your charts right there, go look at it right now. Up 4.5% on the day. This is the perfect time for AMC to push right now. This is the perfect time. If we actually did get a run today, chances are they were trying to knock it down in the morning to make people think that nothing was going to happen this week, and now they're getting the push. Probably some firms trying to cover before earnings comes out, right? Up 4.33% on the day, currently trading at $18.43. Let's bring the drawings in right here so I can see where we may or may not get rejected at. Well, we broke previous resistance, so now we're looking at about 1850. We got to get past 1850. Right now, currently trading at 1845. We are coming up to test that level. AMC up 4.25% on the day. This is looking beautiful, guys. AMC, let's go. Let's go, Mr. Diamond Hands. Drop some rockets for AMC. Drop some rockets for AMC. This is absolutely nuts. This is absolutely nuts. For all the people hopping in. All right. Let's take a quick look at the other ones really quick. MULN on the day up 54%. Still kind of 52 to 54%. Kind of just hanging around sideways. Let's see if CI is still moving. CI just got smacked at about 13% on the day. Now currently trading at 10%. Yeah, CI is getting smacked right here. CI sometimes is a squeeze play. But it was in this falling wedge pattern and it got a breakout. And the fact that everything going on with Russia and Ukraine, the energy stocks as it is are going to get a little pop. So this pushing as it is, already looking beautiful. Let's see. AMC still holding up 4% on the day. It got that move. Let's see where we can go from here, guys. We're looking at, if we can break 1850, then you're looking at 19, all right? You're really looking for a move up to 19. Should be smooth sailing up to there. Let's check, see if Ortex put out anything, any tweets. for everybody hopping in. Appreciate you guys hopping in the live stream. We are in here to chill, and it just so happens that AMC gets a move. Okay, AMC up 4.5 up. Oh my God, AMC up almost 4.75% on the day. 1850 breaking right through the resistance at 1850. Let's drop those rockets, guys. Let's drop those rockets for everybody hopping in. AMC 1855 currently trading at 1855 on the day. Broke resistance at 1850. Let's see if we get a little bit of sideways trading here. Right now it's smooth sailing up 5.15% on the day. 1853, let's go. 1857 highs of the day right now. Oh baby, this is a fantastic thing to see. This gives me old butterflies. 10.2 million volume traded on the day. AMC currently trading at 1857, high of 1860 on the day, up 5% on the day. This is a beautiful thing to see for AMC, guys. Jeez, I guess I titled this thing correctly, AMC pushing, and then we hop on and this thing fucking flies. This thing flies as soon as we hop on stream. IWM going green. Could this be because of the IWM? Let's not hope so, but I mean it's still good either way. Let's get it rolling, AMC. Let's get it rolling. The volume is starting to pick up. Yeah, the volume is starting to pick up. 10.34 million volume on the day, and it's about 10:30 in the morning. I think most of this volume came in off the last 10 minutes of the day. AMC just stopped right here. It's not halted, is it? Or is my thing glitching? My thing glitching, or is it? Nope. Okay, it's moving. It's not halted. I was gonna say that would be a good sign. Chances are, if it gets halted on the upside, like anything, FOMO is going to kick in as soon as the halt is over. Same with the downside. Fear is going to kick in. Just halts in general are very, very sketchy. CEI up 12% on the day. MULN 55%, 56% on the day. Trying to hold. If you guys have any tickers you want me to check on, let me know. Let's see what else we got to search up right here. Let's move this Discord out of the way. Okay. Move this to the side and check out some of these tickers that we got. All right, let's check them out. Let's see how IRNT is doing. Down 15%. Jeez, that got smacked. Wasn't Tesla moving? Oh my God, Tesla is ripping up 6% on the day. Up 6% on the day for Tesla. What else do we have? We have Skin. Skin up 1.75%. Looks like it's getting a push right now. Just made new highs on the day. Again, that is Skin, SKIN. We are going to check on CFVI. CFVI not doing anything. Kind of trash right now. REGI hanging flat. It's having these weird pushes. I don't know what's because of earnings announcement or something like that. Let's give one more check up on CEI. CEI is trying to rebound back up to that 13% range. It's at 12.2% on the day. And we're going to check on Palantir, PLTR, 1188. Palantir got dropped all the way down and currently trading at 1188, up 4% on the day. Got a completely George W on here, and we got to push back to the upside. Palantir looking to make new highs on the day pretty soon. Let's see how MULN is hanging out. MULN is trying to get that breakout, up 58% right now on the day. IMPP, let's check it out. Up 30% on the day. IMPP is doing very, very nice. I like mac and cheese, and then PPIM, mac and cheese, PP, ISPL. Let's see if that squeeze play is still moving. Nope. Kind of hanging out sideways, but that thing can come out of the gate at random moments. So keep an eye on ISPO at all times. SEAC not doing anything. Let's see INDO not doing anything. Let's see Smith & Wesson, SWBI. Earnings this week for Smith & Wesson. New highs on the day, but barely any volume. I don't really like it. Back to our baby AMC. AMC is getting a little bit of a cool off, but that's perfectly fine. Okay, chances are we're going to hold around 1820. If this starts getting dropped for a little bit, hold 1820 and get a little bit of a cool off. Everyone hopping in, I appreciate you guys jumping in. Drop some rockets for your girl Amy, because we are up 4.13% on the day. What's this push about? All right, chances are the IWM has completely spiked and gone green on the day. Now, that could be helping AMC a lot, but if we don't factor in that, chances are, if earnings is really going to affect this squeeze and get us a push and cause FOMO, chances are they wanted to smack us or attempt to smack us in the morning and get people to think nothing's going to happen this week because it was so pumped up. And now some firms are covering. Probably some of the smaller firms, just because we're only up 5% on the day. But remember, still looking beautiful. AMC didn't even cool off down to 1820, and we're trying to get another push for new highs on the day. Currently trading up 4.93%, $18.53. We'll see where we go from here. Let's check. GameStop got a nasty push, $123 on the day. Also up 4.5% on the day. GameStop's looking at resistance at 125. We'll see how it reacts to there. AMC looking at 1850. Honestly, it has to break out of this little zone right here and then test $19. Let's check the live chat really quick. Nothing's going on. Hey, rockets for Amy. Let's go. Daniel, Mr. Diamond Hands. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate everybody hopping in and smacking a like on the stream. AMC currently trading at traded 11 million volume on the day. Trying to push for new highs. New highs on the day, 1862. Let's see where we can go from here. AMC is attempting a push for new highs on the day. We have 1862 right now. It's flickering. Possible margin call. Possible margin call. That depends. It depends who was short. Some firms, it's possible. It's definitely possible. Some of the smaller firms who had maybe ties to Russian bonds and things like that, chances are you could see margin. They could be seeing margin calls right now. But the fact that we're only up 5%, I do see a lot more upside if this thing continues to move. The higher we go, the more pressure on shorts. If this goes opposite of the IWM, the SPY, things like that, chances are we're probably going to move higher. Russian bonds value dropped. Yeah, exactly. So anyone who had ties to Russian bonds are probably getting margin calls. Also, BlackRock, I'm pretty sure, is a big thing with Russian bonds, but they are long on AMC from what I know, so they wouldn't be getting margin call right now. Let's see, GME up 4.5%. AMC flickering right here, trying to get the cool off. Let's see how the RSI is doing. Yeah, RSI is trying to cool down, a little bit overbought on the top side right now. The longer we hang sideways, the more it'll cool off right here. It seems like it wants to get another push, though. Let's check how the overall market is doing. The SPY is trying to break the highs on the day of $434.57. If you see a break over that, you could see a gap fill all the way up to $437.65, somewhere in that zone. Let's see how the IWM is doing. IWM is still cranking. You should see this move come back over to AMC, and you're seeing it right now. 1863 new high on the day, up 5.5%. 1865 new high on the day for our girl Amy. Everyone hopping in. I appreciate you guys hopping in. Chris, when should I sell MULN calls? I know I couldn't text you because I'm in live. Dude, hop in Discord and DM me. I can DM you from the computer. MULN up 59%. Chris, DM me in Discord, and I want to know how much you're up on that. Let's see. Also, don't forget to go to your Webull and press the share button on your position and post it in the gains in the free Discord. Guys, if you're not in the free Discord, the link is under any video except live streams. AMC currently trading at $18.63, trying to make a new high on the day. We will see where we go from here. It should make a new high on the day just due to the fact that the IWM is still cranking right now. Let's see how CEI is doing. CEI getting absolutely smacked. Still up 9% on the day. MULN trading sideways 58% on the day. MULN, we called this out about on the 23rd or 24th in the Discord when it hit pretty much new lows of 50 cents. I grabbed calls for it, and today we're up 500 something percent, so that was pretty nice. I didn't put too much in, but it was pretty nice. AMC currently up 5.5% on the day, 1865. It's trying to get a new high. All the 12 people in here, I appreciate you guys hopping in. Let's check out the live chat. All right, drop some rockets for your girl Amy in the live chat. Chances are, if we get a cooldown right here, let's check the RSI again. RSI still attempting a little bit of a cooldown. Did we get a... We should have definitely got a 1348 crossover on the day. Let's check it out on the daily. See if making people get in here. Not quite on the daily. Let's check it out on the 30-minute. On the 30-minute, you would have got a 1348 EMA crossover on February 24th. And from there on out, you would have got the crossover at $15.80. And now you're at $18.60. So that's already a $3 gain if you just use the 1348 EMA strategy. I show you how to set it up on the channel. There is a video. It's very, very simple. It's extremely simple, and people get extremely good gains out of it. The SPY just broke highs of the day at 434.53. If you're not counting after hours yesterday, chances are this thing's going to gap up to 437.65. Did any news come out? Let's check if any news came out on the SPY. We're going to hop over back to AMC in 1 second. Ukraine president... seeks fast-track admission to European Union. No. I also saw that... guys, let me know if you're going. I know it's very, very risky and dangerous. Some people have serious balls of steel, and if I had nothing to lose, I would probably go. But Ukraine is accepting anybody to go over there, and they're going to give you gear and weapons if you guys want to fight for them. Let me know if that's something you're thinking about doing, or if you are doing. Just a thought, right? I just wanted to see if anyone in here had the balls of steel to go over to Ukraine and kill some Russians. That's really what I'm asking you. Yeah. Ukraine is welcoming people in open arms to come fight. They're going to supply you with gear and weapons. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys are going there or thinking about it, let me know. That is some savage shit. If you're just going to get up, leave your life, and go fucking... slaughter. Okay, let's see. AMC currently trading up 5.21%. It's getting a little bit of a cool off, looking for a push. Let's check this out. Hey, brother, if you like to read, you should check out my book by Austin Long on Barnes & Noble. It has the AMC movement twisted into the story. Austin Long. I will check that out. Do you have it? Do you sell it online at all? If you do, drop a link in here. Let's see. Tino Link TV says, yes, I'm. It's not about killing. It's about helping simple people. I know it's not about killing, but that's the reality of it. It's war. You're killing to help people. But yeah, that too. Help people. I know it's for helping people, obviously. You're not going there because you want to kill people. I know that. But you're going there, that is insane. The fact that you're going there, you should bring a GoPro with you and be live as often as you can, just for people's sake that want to know what's going on. I know there's already like live cam feeds and stuff, but on a soldier, that'd be sick. AMC currently trading sideways right now. Remember, this is perfectly fine. It's just cooling off so we can get another leg up, in my opinion. So we will see where we go from here. And the fact that it created a base now at 1840, it's getting smacked right now. If it holds 1840, you could just see it cool off for a minute and get to pushing. Let's see if GameStop's getting smacked. GameStop not really getting smacked yet, but the volume's so low it could come in like a few minutes. I think this is just because the IWM is cooling off that AMC is getting smacked right here. Let's check out the options chain on AMC right now. Options chain. Where is Max Payne so far for this week? You're looking at $45 strike. This does not look right. Putin says a neutral status for Ukraine is needed. Bloomberg is talking about institutional margin calls. Let me see that on AMC. Let me see. News. Let me check this out. Margin calls. eBay could soon accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin for payments. Okay, that's pretty sick. I seen that crypto was getting a massive push this morning. Congrats if you're in crypto. Bitcoin back up to 40,000. This was what was scary to me, right? If you take a look at Bitcoin on the daily chart, just by where it was at, right? And honestly, if we don't break over 42,000, this still could be a thing. But just where it's at trading on the daily chart, it looks just like you're going to get a sell-off back down to about 34,000. And then a break below that back all the way down to about 24 or even all the way down to 20,000, which would be super, super sketchy, especially for the major holders and Bitcoin. AMC cooling off right now. It looks like it's getting ready for that next push. I appreciate everybody hopping in, all the 19 people hopping in. MULN, is it pushing again? Let me check that out. MULN up 72% on the day. Good thing I still have my other call on MULN. Let's see, it's hard to get through the border, but Saturday night we'll be crossing Polish border to Ukraine. We will be. Damn. Tino Link TV. That's crazy, dude. That is crazy. Let me know if you have a GoPro or somewhere I can watch. Just see how you're doing, honestly, because that is absolutely insane. MULN is pressing up right now, up 75% on the day. Is this gonna happen across multiple boards? Are margin calls actually coming right now? Let me check this out. Margin calls. Let's check this out because a lot of plays are moving very, very randomly right now. Is there anything on Bloomberg? Someone said Bloomberg saying margin calls. Nah, it's talking about margin calls with the whole bonds tied to Russia thing. Let's see how MULN up 72% on the day. This is actually nuts for MULN. Let me know if you guys are up. Let me know if you guys are in MULN. ULN up 75%. I think you meant to say MULN. I'm assuming. Yeah. MULN cooling off a bit right here. Let's check. Let me check Discord very fast here. See if anything's going on. Okay, yeah, guys, if you want to be in the free Discord, feel free. The link is under any video. You can hop in the free Discord and hang out. Let me text this kid. Let's see. Here we go. How do I get out of this? What the fuck? All right, I guess I have to quit out of Discord because it's not letting me. MULN going for that second push. Jeez. CI still getting smacked. Let's see how AMC is doing. AMC still hanging out. IWM doing the same thing as AMC. AMC doing the same thing as IWM. I see actually. Let me check this. Yes. Yeah. I heard BlackRock holding 20 billion. Yeah, BlackRock is getting smacked in Russian bonds, which is, it could be a good or a bad thing, right? If BlackRock is holding all these Russian bonds and they're losing a shitload of value, and BlackRock and Vanguard are somehow correlated with institutional short sellers on AMC because they are long, right? They're long, but they're clearly the ones who have been lending out shares until utilization hit 100%. So if they have some type of correlation between the institutional investors going short AMC, they could be saying, yo, we're going to need this money pretty quick because these bonds are not doing good. You're going to need to cover so we can sell some of AMC. That could be the good scenario. That's a possibility. That could be the good scenario we see from that. Just as for AMC and GameStop, right? SPY, everything's taking a little bit of a break, right? You just got a disgusting push, and it's only 10:50 Eastern Standard, and you're just taking a little bit of a break. MULN up 75%. It's trying to push right now. It is trying to push. If you don't know what's happening with MULN, this is probably going to be a disgustingly high short squeeze. I don't want to pump this stock because it is a penny stock, but I do have calls in MULN. And this thing is looking great. MULN, there is some sort of like what started the AMC and GameStop thing. They're just shorting this thing into the dirt, but it's more than that, right? They're manipulating the stock price, and there's data behind True Demon's DD pretty much that if you guys want to invest into MULN, I would look into, because obviously don't just listen to someone on social media. You want to do your own DD. MULN is flickering, trying to get a new high. You can tell volatility is in here on MULN. Let me check the volume on this on the day. MULN has traded 156 million now in volume. The volume is just pumping like crazy. It seems like everybody's buying right here, buying. And they're trying to keep the stock down. Up 77% on the day. This is about to break out. You can see it flickering. It's at $1.22 right now as the high on the day. Currently trading at $1.21. This thing is about to, it's flickering. It looks like it wants to make a new high on the day. So we'll see what happens there. Remember right here, like I said, AMC basing at 1840. Hopefully this holds. If not, you're coming back down to 1820. Hopefully base right there. If not, you could see go red on the day, which is not what we want to see. But right now it is holding 1840 base. Everything is just cooling off the same. The IWM, the SPY, AMC, all cooling off the exact same. CEI currently holding, but kind of got smacked. If you see another push, be careful for a head and shoulders. Let's see how Tesla's doing. Tesla is still cranking right now. New highs on the day every time we look at the chart. Sit up almost 7% on the day. Tesla's pretty expensive to trade, I'm not going to lie. So probably not a lot of people are in that. MULN taking a little bit of a breather here. Chances are you're going to see it come down and base at $1. Yeah, honestly, at 1.1 maybe, somewhere in that zone. If not, if you get a push from 1.15, then that would be nice too. AMC basing getting that little bit of a pop. Let's check out the live chat here. What are your thoughts on David ING, who works for DTC and Citadel? David, are you talking about the X hedge fund that worked for Citadel? Are we thinking of the same David? Because he does not work for Citadel anymore, if we're talking about the same one. Hold on, I have a shitload of tabs here that I'm going to X out before I look into this. Let me know what you're talking about there. Options chain. Okay, let's see. Delete. All right. Let's see here. Putin bans Russian residents from transferring FX abroad. NASDAQ now green. Yep, NASDAQ now green. Looks like AMC is gearing up for earnings on 4-hour chart across. Setting. True to Forex shares. All right, yeah, guys. For AMC, for tonight, for today in general, before earnings comes out, if we're over $20, this is going to be absolutely disgusting. Okay, I think if we break over $20 today or after hours, you're gonna see some major moves when earnings comes out, or before. Major moves. Did you see that pic of Lou and his JP Morgan friends? I've been hearing stuff about this. Can anyone confirm if this is true? Because anything can be photoshopped. I'm pretty sure people have been accusing Lou for a while. But Lou versus Wall Street. Let's see if he has any ties here, I guess. JP Morgan video. Why is this frozen? Hold on. Is it on Twitter? Diamond Hands, let's go. Diamond Hands, drop some rockets for AMC, guys. Trying to figure out this whole Lou situation. I'm pretty sure AMC getting a push. Hold on here. Hold on. This is what we're waiting for. I don't really like it because it's kind of just following the IWM. And if the IWM goes down, I don't want AMC to also follow. But AMC, $18.65. We're looking for something right now. Is my thing frozen? Let's go. AMC new high on the day, $18.70. Ooh, new member in the Discord. What is going on? I'm going to have to drop a wave to him. But really quick, before we're looking into anything, we want to watch AMC push and make sure that this thing is not going to trade sideways and cool off on us, okay? We want to watch the push. We love the push. Let's see how MULN, AMC 1871. Hold on a minute. Did my thing just glitch out? AMC, holy shit, $18.88, new high on the day, up 6.5% on the day. AMC is getting a disgusting breakout right here. You're going to see resistance right around this zone at $18.95 to $19. If you don't and we smash right through it, then we're probably base there and get another push. But if you guys can tell right here, we kind of, it's ugly, but we kind of flagged out in the morning, got a breakout, and then we're just getting this this Elliott wave type going. 1889 new high on the day for AMC. Let's check this out. Putin anchors in our heads. Jonas. Yo, if anybody, once again, if you haven't heard before, Ukraine is welcoming people to come fight in open arms. They're going to give you gear and weapons. Let me know if you guys are going over there. Someone in the chat is already headed over there. Tino Link TV, shout out him. Good luck. You will be in my prayers. And that is great that you're helping people. AMC currently 1889, looking for a breakout for 1890. Let's go back over to Twitter very fast because I want to see what this whole, does anyone else know about this whole Lou and Morgan Stanley thing, JP Morgan thing? People are just talking about it. I don't know if it's true, what's not true. All I've heard is just accusations, because there's always accusations, right? People are accusing me for working for hedge funds. I don't know what the fuck. So I don't know if it's true or not, but if anyone knows about it, let me know. I'm trying to look into it. I don't really want to watch one of Lou's entire videos on it. I've seen one on it. Really captain, baby. Let's see. I found something on Twitter. Read the caption and it begins. JP Morgan is the way by Blue Juice. Could JP Morgan be the bank that offered Lou millions of dollars to steer us away? Why would they? If they offered Lou $1 million to steer us away, I don't get it, because Lou is not, he's not steering you away. He's no way he told you that AMC is gonna run. That's what he's been saying. So that right there, just off the bat, doesn't make sense. AMC running, yeah, I'm watching it. AMC currently trading at 1883, highs on the day of 1889. Drop some rockets for AMC. It was posted on Twitter. His friend Blue Ice works for JP Morgan. Okay. His friend Blue Ice works for JP Morgan. Honestly, I can tell you one thing. Even if he does, and even if they both were there, undercover, whatever, it doesn't change shit. It really doesn't. This play is a lot bigger than 1 to 2 people, 1 to 2 companies. This play is massive. Anyone going against the grain, you're going to lose. You're going to lose. That's it. You have every single YouTuber and just overall. You got Matt Kors, Trades. You have Charles Payne on Fox. You have a bunch, Short the VIX, TMI, a whole lot of AMC YouTubers, including myself. And there's just a large amount of retail that you're not going to beat. I don't care. Even if Lou was paid off, his friend was paid off, they worked against this, it doesn't matter. It doesn't change shit. It really doesn't. Let's see. He does still work for Citadel. David Ings. I'm going to look into that in 1 second. Yes, bro, but it is a big difference. If we are selling under like 1K or 50K, that's his job. Even if that was his job, you shouldn't be listening to him in the first place if he's telling you to sell at 1K. We've been over this several times on the channel. don't listen to anybody else's selling point. Have a selling strategy. I would go based off of the chart just because the transparency, T plus same night or T plus next day, is not going to show you the short interest change by the time the thing starts selling off. So just have your exit plan, and there are several exit strategy videos on the channel. Lou is legit. I don't doubt it, man. I'm not saying anything. I'm just talking about what people are saying in the chat. AMC to the moon, let's go. I think Lou is getting paid by Morgan to get people to sell in the low hundreds. It could be. And guess what? It does it. If people sell in the low hundreds, that's their fault. If you want to listen to Lou and be one of those people, that's once again on you. It's all on you guys. That's really all you got to know. Lou can say whatever he wants. I already went out and said I don't agree with Lou's brackets. I already made my in-depth bracket video. I'm all set. We have exit strategy on the channel, bracket video on the channel, everything like that for AMC. Let's check what's going on here with MULN. Is MULN still moving? MULN is taking a cool off right here. Hopefully it holds at $1.10. That's ultimately what we're looking at. Hopefully it creates a base right there. Let's see how the overall market's doing. SPY is still pushing. You're looking for gap fill all the way up to 437.65, somewhere in that zone. Let's see how IWM is doing. IWM is kind of flickering right here. That's why AMC is kind of just holding up. Let's check how the RSI is on AMC. A little bit on the overbought side, but I think there's still room to move. But the longer we trade sideways, the next wave is going to be a lot bigger. Yo, for all this people in here, I appreciate you guys hopping in. Feel free to smash the like button. Let's see. Jonas says, I like Lou. I have been follow him from the beginning, and so you too. We will see higher numbers soon. Yeah, I think we will squeeze soon. I could be completely wrong, and I don't care if I'm wrong because I've been wrong several times in the past. But one, it keeps anticipation going, the ball rolling. And if there's ugly days, I just step away and don't look at the 1 minute candles. That's really all you have to do. AMC basing, it didn't even have to cool off to base. This is actually nuts that it's just literally basing off of a fucking stick. It's like legitimately off of a stick. Off of a stick. The fact that it's basing. If we get another rip here through 19, that's gonna be insane. You have 10 cents until some resistance at 19. So let's see. Your brackets are legit, bro. Holding for life-changing money ain't selling for less than 10K per share. $200 to $300 per share is not life-changing money. Yeah, everybody has a different amount of shares, but I don't think it matters if you bought at $13 or you bought at $70. It's about how high this thing's going to go, what you're going to sell at. Also, you could make a lot more off of call contracts, but you could lose all your money off of those. So I wouldn't say to exchange your shares for call options, but if you do trade calls or anything like that, make sure you guys give yourself enough time. Like a lot of time. Because think about it, right? How many weeks, how many months have we heard this is the catalyst that's going to trigger it? We've heard that on and on and on and on and on and on. And all those on and on and on and on and on, market makers are just collecting because people are trading calls in anticipation of this will be the next catalyst. And that's just not the case. AMC trading sideways, it looks like right here, if volatility kicks in right here, you could see another push past 1889 highs of the day. Right now, right here, we're going to see if we get rejected or not. AMC pushing, boom, here we go, 1895 on the day, new highs up 7.2%. If we get rejected at 19, it's just resistance right there. It really just is what it is. 1895 all the way up to 19. So the fact that we're flickering right here is completely normal. The RSI is also a little bit high. We'll see what happens here, right? If we get a clean break right through 19, let's see where that's going to take us. A clean break right through 19. You're looking at $19.35 and then $20. And like I said, if we get over $20 today, it's going to be actually insane. It's going to be a key level going into earnings if AMC is over $20. Key level of resistance. And let me go on the daily chart here, remove all drawings, and see how this looks, because I want to see how this this nice little gap up looks. Exactly like I thought on the 30-minute chart, right? If we break over 20 before earnings, chances are you're gonna see a disgusting push. You have next resistance at 21 on the daily, and then ultimately you're smooth sailing up to 25. And honestly, earnings doesn't care about resistance most of the time. If we get a good earnings push and we're already over 20, you're gonna see this thing fly. Let's check the live chat really quick. I will not sell a penny under 1K. Then maybe I will drop one. Mr. Diamond, more daily. Mr. Diamond, more daily vids, please. Oh, Mr. Diamond, do you do YouTube? Tino Link TV, I'm on your Discord. I will let you know. Check Military Land on Twitter. All right, sounds good, man. I will check it right now. Military Land. Militaryland.net. Is that what you're talking about? Tino Link TV. Oh, yeah, I see what you're talking about. Russian forces entered. Oh, jeez. I'm going to give that a follow and keep up with that, hopefully. All right, that's what you're talking about. AMC is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Austin Long puts rockets. Yeah. AMC, holy shit. We got off the chart for 1 minute. It's at $18.99, fighting that resistance at 19, up 7.5% on the day. What's going on? Is the IWM moving? IWM is not getting that same push. This is what I like to see. The separation between IWM and AMC, where they're trying to keep it correlated, but you know something is going on in the background. AMC has to get this next push over $19. It's going to be huge. 19, and then you're looking at $19.35. Hopefully smooth sailing up to there. If we get heavily rejected here, that is probably not a good thing for a little while. But we have, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Based off of the Elliott wave theory, you could see us get rejected here. Hopefully not. We'll see what happens right here. Let's check the live chat really quick. Let's see. Anyone that sells because of a YouTuber told them deserves to get vaporized. Daniel says, if anyone sells because of a YouTuber telling you to, you deserve to get vaporized. Let me know if you agree with that. The thing is, there's a lot of people who are invested in the AMC who aren't actually trading or haven't traded before, and they think they have to listen to people with higher education. It's really not the way to go. Just watch a few YouTube videos, get educated on the market, and you have to really know where you're putting your money. Because if you know where your money's put and you know why you're in a play, you're not going to feel any type of way inside your heart, right? You're not going to freak out over red days that a lot of people do. Let's see. Jonas, I remember when your channel had 200 subs and I joined in. It's not over yet, but we will soon. What a ride. Dude, I appreciate you being in since 200 subscribers. That was the hardest thing, getting from 0 subscribers to 1,000. That was actually the major turning point. And I know whoever was in at that time really built a base for the channel, because I didn't do like strictly AMC videos, and I don't do strictly AMC videos right now, but it's most of my content just because it's hard to take my eye off it. AMC getting a little bit of a cool off. Hopefully we hold 1875. We'll see what happens until then. But yeah, the 200 subs or 0 subs to 1,000 was the hardest, and then it was 1 to 2,000 was also tough. 2 to 3 went by in like a few days. That was amazing. And then 3 to 4 was the absolute hardest. But we are on the road to 5K right now. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed, I would appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button. I think it was around May last year. Yeah. When I first started the channel, it was all right, let's see. AMC hold 1875. Come on, hold it here. Let's see what the IWM is doing. IWM is just hanging out. See, this is what happens when the separation occurs between the IWM and AMC when they're moving on the same day. But the RSI is cooling down, almost evened out. We could get another push soon. MULN holding up 68% on the day. All right, we got to keep this chart on AMC. What were we just talking about? We were talking about these subs in May. Yeah, the subscribers. When I first started the channel, it was like how to make money from home, 5 ways to create passive income, and then it was like how to trade stocks, what brokers to use, how to set up your chart setups. I was just coming out with videos, and then it was like what cryptocurrencies should you buy. My first big trade, well, like my first decent profit was on Riot blockchain, and I called it out at like $8, and then it ran, and I was like super hyped. People started subscribing because of that, and then it was like I was correlating the blockchains to Bitcoin and like Ethereum, and then people were like, holy shit, that's also true. That was getting traction, and then it was really like GameStop. Boom, GameStop, right? The mailman that used to come to my house was like, yo, check this out, GameStop, this and that, this and that. I was like, yeah, I've been seeing it. What the fuck is going on? I didn't look into stuff like that, into particular stocks, because I was more of like the stock market. You know, when you're first starting out, it's like the stock market, Bitcoin, what people are talking about, right? So then I was like looking into it, and I started researching, finding things that people weren't seeing about GameStop and this run up, and then I was like, damn. Got in GameStop super high. Over the next couple weeks, I was down like a decent amount, just like a few grand, and then remember I was small at the time. I was down a few grand, and then all of a sudden, right? I'm up a grand. I'm like, holy shit. I'm sitting in my kitchen talking to my mom, my brother. I'm like, I'm up 2 grand. I'm up 3 grand. I'm up 4 grand. I'm like, yo, what do I do? Just freaking out. And that is when I like really created a base for myself, because it was a feeling. It was my first feeling of that, getting that, like, holy shit, this is actually fucking nuts. GameStop was running. I wish it was recording and like stuff like that. Mr. Diamond Hand says, limit order versus market order. Are you asking which one should you use during the squeeze, or are you just asking the difference? Market order will just buy right then and there. It's pretty simple right there. You're buying at market price. Limit order is AMC is trading at $18.84. If you wanted to buy it, if you thought it was going to drop, but you didn't want to watch a chart, you'd put a limit order at $18.50. It's going to buy for you whether you're at your computer or not. Same with sell. Let's see. I think it was around May last. Ukraine pay $10K a week for soldiers and nurses from abroad. Really? Yeah, I heard some sad things about Ukraine hospitals too, that they were going to run out of oxygen today. Did that change? Hopefully that changed, dude. Let me know if you have an update on that. Mr. Diamond Hand says, is Fidelity safe during the squeeze? The thing is, there's so much talk about what broker, this and that. I think they're all shitty, honestly. And I think there's no reason to switch and change and do this, that, and the third, unless you're on Robinhood. That's really what scares me. But if you're on Robinhood, hopefully you'll be okay. That's just my outlook on it. All the other brokers, people try to differentiate them, this and that, small little things. I think each and every one is going to be the same. It's either going to do you well or absolute ass. And that's really my outlook on the broker situation. I don't think it's a major impact right now. Just make sure that you talk to your broker and know that you own these shares. Because a couple weeks ago, I emailed Webull and my E-Trade, and I made sure, is there anything like different about my account? Do I own these shares, these securities, this, that, and third? And they were like, yes. Nothing looks odd. Why? And then I just didn't answer them. But the fact that I have that email in writing, and it's saved, and it's screenshotted, and it's just imprinted there, if anything goes on during the squeeze where they said, you didn't have these shares, these were fake shares, someone sold you these shares, we can't help you, that's not going to happen to me, right? So maybe contact your broker. Dino C, let's see those rockets. Let's go. I know, AMC, for the new people hopping in, hit a high of $18.99. Between $18.95 and $19, you're going to see some resistance, and then a break through that, you're going to look at $19.35 for resistance. And our main goal for the day, including after hours, just sometime before earnings, is to get above 20. That is going to be the major setup that we want to get above. Above $20 is going to be disgusting for AMC. It really is. IWM still hanging out a little bit sideways. Let's check MULN, up 72% on the day. MULN getting another push here, right? If we get back up to about 120, which we're about to, you want to see if we get rejected and you get a double top, or if you get a push over the highs of the day. You've seen highs in pre-market at $1.17, and then highs about 10 to 20 minutes ago at $1.22, and right now you're at $1.19 for MULN. Let me know if you guys have a position in MULN. Drift and Juke TV. You think AMC will go 25 plus tomorrow? If AMC breaks 20 today, there is a finite chance that you break 25 tomorrow. Because here's the thing. If you break 20 today, which is a major, major key level, and I'm talking clean break, 20 today or in after hours, you're only looking at a breeze through past 21 to about 21.25. And then from there on out, it's most likely smooth sailing up to 25. It really is. You're going to see a little bit of a fight, but just the fact that earnings are coming out, and if they are extremely bullish, earnings just smashes through levels of support, resistance. Earnings really just doesn't follow the whole technical analysis. It's either a big ass move or a big ass drop. In some stocks it doesn't impact it at all, but the fact that there's millions of eyes on AMC, this stock in general, it's going to affect it. Usually after earnings you see a push in AMC, except the past 1 or 2, but that is because they found a way to drop us. If you guys haven't seen it, go watch the cycle video that I posted yesterday. Let me see what I titled it, just so you guys can see it, because it's showing how they're taking us in a cycle, and this week is going to be a make it or break it for the squeeze potentially, or at least for the short term. It's called Will AMC Stock Squeeze This Week, ... That is what I titled that video. So if you guys want to go check that out. AMC is just hanging out, flickering right here, so we're waiting. Let's see, thumbs up, yeah. Jonas, when will earnings come out? After market close today. Earnings are coming out tomorrow, Tuesday, March 1st. Let me see if they're after hours. I believe they're after hours, but I just want to make sure before I tell you. Let's see. AMC earnings calls. Okay. AMC could be going for that next push here. I don't want to miss it. I'm going to try to get this up here before. Let's see. They're expecting a loss of 26 cents. Let's go to the company. Whoa, whoa. Drop the rockets in the chat. AMC 1904, fighting that resistance at 19. If we get this breakout, you're looking all the way up to $19.35. When are we going to cool off? Are we going to cool off? This is fucking disgusting. This is absolutely disgusting for AMC. 1905, new high on the day. Nice. Let's see those rockets. Is the new transparency rule in effect today? Could that be the cause of the run-up? Yeah. There's something in effect immediately that people are talking about. I have tried to find the direct link to it, and I couldn't. So I'm not going to answer that. But I'm trying to find at the same time when exactly. I'm pretty sure AMC earnings come out after hours tomorrow. Or AMC earning. Let's see. I don't want to miss AMC run up. Drop those rockets if I'm missing any type of press on AMC. If we make a new high, drop those rockets because I got to see it. After hour. Let's see. March 1st, 5 p.m. Eastern. Yep, tomorrow, like I said, after hours earnings comes out for AMC. That is what we're waiting for. If we're over 20 by then beautiful. Completely beautiful. Let's see how MULN is doing. Holy shit, MULN did not make a double top. Up 83% on the day. This thing is getting a massive, massive push. Massive, massive push. Let me drop in the Discord in case people are missing this right now. 125 AMC. Yeah. I mean, let's go. I'm down. 125 AMC. Let's fucking do it. All right. MULN up 83 percent. Let me reply live right now. All right. This is beautiful, guys, for the 14 people in here. Let's see. What are you doing, AMC? AMC 1905. It's trying. No, I'm just playing around, but soon. Yes, soon, dude. Soon. We formally will be announcing our fourth quarter and year-end 2021 earnings Tuesday, March 1st at 4 p.m. Central Time. We hope to send as many shareholders as possible listen to the live webcast. Yeah, guys, should I record that live, or do you have somewhere to watch it already? Let me know in the comments. I can record the earnings call live, maybe, or I can just sit here like this, like we're doing now. AMC 1906, new high in the day. It's looking for a breakout. It's probably going to tap 1907 and then get moving. As soon as it touches that, it's probably going to get rolling right now. As soon as you see 1907, it's probably going to be like, oh, boom, 1910, 1912, 1918. It's fighting resistance. It is fighting resistance. Jonas says live. Okay. We could do it live. AMC 190. Come on. Break that resistance. What was I going to do? Yeah, I was going to come over here. Drop rockets if AMC makes a new high, because I have to grab this really quick and share it to the Discord. If you guys aren't in the free Discord, feel free to join. The link is under any video. There's literally call outs every day. Then there's no reason not to join. There's also buy and sell signals, and there is a gains group chat. Let's see. I need to post this in video links. Paste. All right. Everyone is now going to know that we are live. I think my cat is at my room door. Come on, AMC. Get that new high. What's the IWM doing? IWM making new highs. You're going to see the same thing happen with AMC. Hey, baby boy. I know. You were out there at the door. I didn't hear you. I'm so sorry. It's cold out there? All right. IWM making new highs. You should see the same thing with AMC any second now. It's at $19 right now, up 7% on the day. What more could we have asked for today? Obviously, we could have asked for 10K, but I mean, who's watching? VUM today? If earnings is after hours tomorrow, do you think on Wednesday it will run up? I think you're going to see more of the action run-up side of things. If it's not squeezing, if it's not beginning the next leg up, you're going to see more of the run after hours tomorrow when it's happening. As soon as Adam Aaron says the EPS and pretty much just showing if it beat estimates or not, you're going to see it affect the price action as soon as it's said in the after hours. So watch that after hours. If you're not on a broker that can trade after hours, I'm sorry, but if you don't plan on selling anyway, it's still fun to watch. I know Webull does after hours. I'm not sure if E-Trade does after hours. I think Fidelity does. TradingView. GameStop new high in the day, 125.65. IWM new high in the day, 204.12. AMC is next to come for that. It's basing right here. Let's see how the RSI is doing. RSI is a little bit on the high side of things, but it's not overbought yet. AMC's high on the day is still 1906. Let's see if the SPY filled that gap yet. Yep, the SPY is just about filled that gap that we were talking about this morning. And if you got in, congrats. If you played calls, congrats on the SPY. For everybody hopping in, I appreciate the like on the stream. It gets this video out to more people. Also, Make sure to share the stream with your boys if they're not in here. For sure, for sure. Yeah. All right. 14 people in here. AMC pushing on the day up 8%. New high right now as we're speaking, 1908, currently trading at 1907. It's just sitting static here, waiting for a breakout. Holy shit. MULN, 90% on the day. Why did I sell that call this morning? I have another call riding for MULN, but the fact that I sold one this morning is disgusting. Makes me want to cry about it. All right, AMC 18 million in volume today, right now. 1911 new highs on the day for AMC. If we can get a firm breakout right here, you're looking at $19.35. MULN is actually disgusting right now. Actually disgusting. I'm letting that last call ride to whatever it goes to. AMC up 8%. There's really nothing else we could ask for. If you take a look back in May, it looks like we're about May 25th. If we're referencing history repeating itself, looks like we're about at May 25th on the chart. And if that's the case, you're going to see a big-ass boom in the next few days. Come on, AMC, get this push. We got time. We have time. We're only 2 hours, not even 2 hours into the trading day, and AMC is up 8% on the day. 1913 new high on the day for AMC. We're getting that push 1914. Let's get it pushed all the way up to 1935, and somehow, if we can break 20 today, I'm gonna go get probably a large coffee because I may or may not sleep. So we'll see what happens right now. Let's see, 1908. Yeah, I think it might go to 20 to 21 today. If that's the case, then there's probably firms covering. Most likely firms are covering, and they're afraid. They're afraid of the anticipated earnings and the FOMO that's going to kick in as soon as earnings hits. You're going to see people going, holy shit, AMC as a company is fundamentally doing insanely well. Their share price has increased, yada, 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 over the past whatever, and this, that, and the third. You're going to see some major moves. I'm really hoping so. But let's zoom out and see if this could be worst case scenario. What else could be happening here? What else could be happening is it's just another bull trap. Because remember, you've seen the same exact. If you guys don't remember, you've seen the same exact pattern. Go on your 1 hour chart for AMC and look at January 28th. You're seeing the same exact thing right here. And then you also saw it on February 8th. So, like I said, 20 is a key level. If you get a clean break out of that and then a break over 21 being confirmation, ta-da, we are getting the run that we've seen. But worst case scenario, this is another one of those shitty ass bull traps, and you get rejected over the next week, come back down to test the $13.80 area. Break below that is going to carry you to the downside if you get another touch on that. 1919 new highs on the day, up 8.5% on the day, currently trading at $19.70. $19.17. Yeah, man, I think is a bull trap. I think might go to 25, then go back down. I don't think if it goes to 25, it's going to come back down. I really don't. But it could. It could get, if it gets rejected at 25, it could definitely come back down. But the thing is, if you go up to 25, I think at this point, if you get a breakout anywhere over 25, it's probably the next leg up. I don't think it's going to be a trap per se, because they don't want it that high. They're scared. They're worried. They're worried when it's that high, especially with what's going on with Ukraine and Russia and things like that. AMC is attempting to make a new high on the day. 1919 right now. IWM pushing. You're going to see the same thing happen in AMC any second now. Let's see how MULN is doing. MULN up 87% on the day. This is disgusting. This is actually nuts. Yeah. MULN is looking dirty right now. You could see it move all the way up to $2 by the time today's over in after hours, if it moves all the way up to $2, that is going to be a major, major move. Chances are, MULN, if you guys aren't in it, I'm not going to tell you to get in it, but chances are, if we end up trading sideways, barcoding, or closing around the $1.15 level, or even higher than that, you're probably going to see shorts start to cover in after hours. That's ultimately what you may see. AMC new highs on day. But I say that because it's more and more traction, right? The higher the percent goes, the more retail looks at it, the more tweets that go out, the more YouTube videos that go out, the more people that want to buy in, the more FOMO kicking in, the more gamma, the more things like that. If they get out early, they're safe. It's really all it is. Also, they don't know what firms are going to try and cover first and things like that. So if I was them, I would be out of MULN already, my opinion, or at least by tonight. If they're hoping it dies down by tonight, they are not smart. Not smart. When you have this many retail eyes looking at it, it's a penny stock as well. It's a penny stock. This thing can get going fast, and you see that right now. It's up 80%, and nothing even happened, right? Barely anything happened yet, and you're seeing this thing up. Let me delete this in Discord and check this DM. You're welcome, buddy. Let one go. Morning. Letting one ride right now. Probably squeezing. Alright. Let's check out the live chat here. For everybody hopping in, I appreciate you guys hopping in. AMC 1919. Let's check what AMC is doing right now. AMC 1922 new highs on the day. Let's see. I'm just messaging my friend who also has MULN calls right now. I told him about it yesterday. I told him to I'm not trying to have it done. Damn. All right. Doing good. Yo. Everybody in here. We just took a little bit of a break chilling because nothing's really happening right now. AMC is waiting for that next push. It's at up 8.3% on the day at $19.12. Okay, if you see it start dropping, you're going to base at either $19 or $19.01, or you're going to come back down to $18.80. But hopefully we get this next push. I'm looking at $19.35 for a push all the way up to before we at least get rejected. And ultimately, I want to break 20 today. If IWM keeps pushing, that's also a beautiful thing to see for AMC. 12 to 1 p.m. AMC might run up some more through 12 to 1. 12 to 1. Yeah. Right now, I'm actually surprised at what it's doing because this is usually when volatility gets a little bit disintegrated between like 11:30 and 1:30, and then it starts picking back up. So I'm surprised it's pushing. It's looking like right now it wants to go for a new high on the day within the next couple of minutes, and that is really what we're waiting for. Let's see here. The RSI is still a little bit on the overbought side, but not quite. If you get a next push, it's probably going to be small and then cool off. But we'll see right now. We will see right now. Jeez, come on, AMC. MULN is actually disgusting right now. Up 86% on the day. right. Here we go. 90 up. AMC MULN up 90% on the day. What the fuck? This is disgusting, guys. All right. For all the people who hopped in the stream, I really appreciate it. We're going to be hopping off in the next couple of minutes. If AMC starts pressing again, we will probably be back on stream. I do want to check. The volume today is at about 20 million in volume. We're 2 hours into the day. That's actually looking pretty nice due to the fact of how low AMC volume has been, honestly. So this is looking beautiful, guys. I appreciate you guys for hopping on the stream. We may or may not be back on the stream a bit later. Okay, guys? So that is all I got for today. I appreciate everybody coming in and hanging out. And if you can, on the way out, hit the like on the stream. I would appreciate it. And consider subscribing to not miss any AMC videos or live streams. AMC currently up 8.3% on the day. Highs of 19.22. Currently trading at $19.13. And that is all I got for you guys for today. For right now, I may be on back after. If not, tune in for tonight's video on AMC. And join the free Discord if you want to chat. I'll be in it all day, every day. See you, bro. See you guys.